Yep. Right here's where he stood. Here's the culprit, the enemy. This is the antagonist of this plot. The deer. That's number 2 on the list. Number 1 at this stage is the crow. Like magic. Ain't that scary looking? Freaks the deer out. Crows too. Got one over there. I figured out you need to have them about every 100 foot or so. That crow was in here where the other pop in fell down, but I think the corn's a little too tall for them to pull up now. When it's got 2 leaves or less, they'll grab it by the green, pull it straight up, eat the corn kernel off that's got roots coming out of it, and then leave the fresh little corn plant to die. Makes me mad as hell. I've also figured out that once you get exactly 100 feet away from the gator and the shotgun, a crow will about land on your head out here. Yeah, once I got spreading the other day, I saw this pipe pan, but once you start spreading, you can't just stop before a stupid old pipe pan, so I had to run it over. But she's still pretty scary to the crows. The only problem now will be getting something to stick to it. Hear that? They're flocking us. This one here worked out. There's a vine in this tree. The wind blows, it bangs against it. Works pretty good. So we got one here, one there, another around there. It's pretty well covered. Oh yeah, looks like the crow trap got one. Take your hats off, everybody. Ashes to ashes, dust to dust. Kind of like my corn that got ate last year. Pity. With your smaller fields, last year we had this as a little test plot, and the crows came and ate everything that you see here, save for a 5-foot circle in the center where I had a post with a fake owl on it. So this year I tried hay twine, PVC stars, some red ribbon, and so far so good. So this is a pretty quick and easy method if you have some hay twine. It's pretty cheap and it goes a long ways. Or you can use any other type of string, I guess, mason twine or something, and then some surveyor's tape. But I don't know the actual ideal spacing, but I ended up doing this, which is about 4 rows wide. These are 38-inch rows. And so far, crows have been out of it, knock on wood. I don't know what it is, if they feel like you can't land in here sharp enough without hitting twine or what. But yeah, they haven't damaged it like they usually do. Because if you don't do anything, when they're in the area, the first week or so that starts coming up, they'll pull it up and eat the kernels off. So the nice thing is when I need to get in here with a tractor, I can just pull those PVC stobs up and lay them down on the ground. And these can be just tightened up by putting loops in there. Loosen it up. Tighten it up. Pretty quick and dirty. I think it took like 10 minutes with a good hammer. But hey, the crows didn't pull it up, so that was the goal this year. Keep the crows out. One step at a time, baby. One step at a time.